Good morning, students. Welcome to your Mount 3 science class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 34. Students, today's topic is plant parts. Parts of plants. All plants have several parts. Okay, students, look here. This is a plant, and this plant has roots. This plant has roots. Roots. This plant has roots. This is a spelling of root. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. Stem. 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 S-T-E-M. Stem. Leaf. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Students, these are the leaves. Leaves. Flower. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Students, these are the flowers. These are the parts of this plant: flower, leaf, stem, root, stem, leaf, and flower. Student, these are the part of this plant. Now kids, it's your turn to identify parts of plants. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Stem. Students, this is a stem. This is a stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Leaf. Students, these are the leaves. L-E-A-F, leaf. Student, these are the roots. ये जो है वो ज़मीन के अंदर होती हैं रूट्स. किड्स, रूट्स जो है वो अंदर होती हैं, ये हमें नज़र नहीं आती, बट रूट्स जो है वो इस काइंड की होती हैं. दीज आर द रूट्स. R-O-O-T, रूट. नाउ किड्स, इट्स योर टर्न टू मेमोरी स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ parts of plants. Allah Hafiz.